Hi you guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to So today I have a really exciting video, but first and foremost, I want to let you guys know I am so happy that you guys are here. If you are new to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. I post a lot of content here about saving money. I do a lot of hauls. I like to review beauty products, but I also like to share with you guys my journey along motherhood. So I have three young ones. I have an almost 5-year-old daughter, I have a 3-year-old son, and I have an almost 1-year-old, and there are just some days where I just want to like pull my hair out. So I've actually been in contact with a company called Tantrum Fix, and you guys, my mind is blown. I'm telling you guys, this is like an answered prayer for me, because I texted one of my friends here on YouTube, Vanessa from Lemonademom. I actually asked her, I said, Vanessa, is it normal for my kids to be acting like, I hate to say it, but like a-holes, like they're just being terrible? I asked her, I said, is this normal for like 5 to 3-year-olds? And she said, yes, it is. It's a phase. It's gonna go away. Just consistency and try to find something that works. So when I was in contact with this company called Tantrum Fix, I was like, okay, we can get through these years. It's gonna be okay. This box is going to be my saving grace to get through these tantrums. So something that I like to remind myself, that I also want to remind you guys, if you have littles like me in the same age range, something that I remind myself anytime I get frustrated is these years are short. They are, and it's not something that's going to be lasting forever. So even though they test me daily when it comes to their tantrums, they're not going to be having tantrums the rest of their life. And honestly, you guys, momming during this age is so hard. So hard. I didn't realize it was going to be this hard until I actually became a mom. So I have a lot more respect for my parents after knowing what I've put them through. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what is in this box. So first off, Tantrum Fix, they have a little pamphlet booklet inside here. This little book right here kind of gives you a step-by-step guide on their method to calming down tantrums. So the first thing that you want to do with this box is create some sort of calm down corner in your house. So maybe you have a comfortable chair or like a little teepee tent. Just find yourselves a designated calm down corner, because you're gonna direct your kids to this little box, and it's going to be an area where they know, okay, this is the area where I need to calm down. So starting the routine of going to a specific area is really going to help. So I absolutely love that approach as well. So you just change scenery and just go to the calm down corner, because I do that too. When I need a break, I will just go in the bathroom for a few minutes and just shut the door and just like regroup. So I do that as well when I need to calm down. So that is the first thing that they recommend, is to find a place in your house as a calm down corner. And then there's also a little book that you can start reading to your kids. Like you can do this daily, like before bed. And it is a book called Calm Down Time. So on the back it says, feeling cranky or frustrated, you need calm down time. Time to cool off, have a break, and get ready for a fresh start. So take some deep breaths, count 1, 2, 3. I'm calm as can be. I'm taking care of me. So this is like a step-by-step little book that you can go ahead and read with your kids, and explains them their emotions. So right here it says, sometimes I'm sad, sometimes I'm mad. So it's good for them to learn and acknowledge the feelings that they're feeling. It says right here, sometimes I start to scream and shout. I want to get my feelings out. So it's a very simple book that you can go ahead and read with your kids, and it's going to illustrate and help teach them what they can be doing to calm their tantrums down. So love this book right here. Something that's really going to help with their tantrums is distracting them with something else. So if they're upset because, you know, their brother or sister took their toy away and they're freaking out, you can take them to their calm down corner and just have them do something else. So this is going to have them forget that their brother did something to them or their sister did something to them, and they're going to say, oh, I like coloring, so I'm going to color, and that's going to calm them down, and then they're going to completely forget about it. Something else that is great in here is there are some bubbles. What kids do not love bubbles? My kids get super excited over bubbles, so this is going to be in the little tantrum box as well. Something else that is inside here is more of like a sensory thing. It is a water bottle that has some sequins and glitter, so they can just shake it up and it's supposed to relax and calm them. So this is just something that's going to distract them, but at the same time calm them down, so they can just watch the water go up and down. And even as I'm doing it myself, like, yeah, I could totally get how this would calm my kids down. So have this. And then there's also a little like stuffy right here. So this will be perfect for my son Tanner because he is 1. So just something that is kind of like a comfort item that they can just kind of hold on to. My son does the same thing with his little blanket. He'll like suck on his thumb. So this is great. And then there's also a little like magnetic activity toy. So again, just something that they can do to go ahead and distract them from what originally made them upset. So love that. There are also some little flashcards that you can go ahead and work with your kids on during your one-on-one time when you're reading the book. They have little flashcards. So it'll say, one of them says, I want to cuddle with my blankies. So it'll give them a way to tell you what they want to do to calm themselves down. One of them says, I want to draw, or I want time alone. So we already do this with my daughter. Sometimes my daughter's just had enough with my son because my 3-year-old has so much energy sometimes that she just wants to go alone and do her own thing. So she'll go up to my husband and I's room, she'll color, and she'll just do her own little thing without being bothered by her little brother. One of them says, I want to take a deep breath, or I want to do jumping jacks. So there are different cards you can go ahead and sit down with your kids to have them recognize like what their feelings are and how to express to you, the parent, what we can do to help them feel better. So this is everything that is inside the Tantrum Fix box. So this is a new company that has recently launched. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave all of their contact information below. They also have a private Facebook group that you can go ahead and join when you sign up for your box. And it's a way to get some different advice from other parents and just a place where you can go and not feel like you're alone. Because sometimes I know as a mom with little, sometimes I feel like I'm in my own little bubble and I just want to, like I said, rip my hair out. So I want to just give a big thank you to Tantrum Fix because I think that this is an excellent tool for moms and dads and grandmas and teachers. Like I think that this is just absolutely fantastic. So again, I'm going to have everything linked below, and thank you so much Tantrum Fix for working with me on this video. And I am so happy to be sharing with you guys something that I think is going to be functional and useful during the very tough years of being a parent. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.